In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a common issue many Wix users face, a header that won't resize. This can be a frustrating problem, especially when you're trying to get your website looking just right. So, let's dive into some straightforward steps to ensure your header adjusts smoothly to your liking. First things first, head over to your Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in or familiar with this platform, go ahead and do so. It's quite intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and those with more experience to navigate through various editing options. Once you're in the editor, the next thing you'll want to do is to check if the header is fixed. To do this, simply click on your header to select it. A fixed header means it stays in position as you scroll down the page. While this can be aesthetically pleasing, sometimes it might restrict the header from resizing as you might want it to. If the fixed option is indeed enabled, consider whether you want to keep it before moving on to resizing. Now, if you're keen on adjusting the height of your header, simply locate the bottom edge of the header. Click and drag it up or down to change the height to your preferred size. This is a great way to ensure your header fits well within the overall design of your page. Keep in mind that a well-sized header not only looks good, but also contributes to a seamless user experience. Additionally, if you notice that your text is not fitting well within the new header size, you might need to adjust the font size. Sometimes simply resizing the text can make a world of difference and can help your header look more balanced. Make sure the text is readable and harmonizes with the rest of your website's design. If, after these steps, you still find that your header isn't resizing properly, it might be time for a fresh start. Consider creating a new header from scratch. Start by deleting the existing one. You can do this by selecting the header and pressing delete. Then, go ahead and add a new header. This can often solve underlying issues that might be preventing it from resizing as desired. These steps should help you get your Wix header to resize as needed. Remember, having a flexible approach when designing your website is key. And don't be afraid to try different tactics until you find what works best for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.